Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Chairusna Zahira. I'm from 33625 class. My student ID is 32220052. This is Syntax Final Project 2, Part 1, Deep Structure and Surface Structure. Definition of deep structure. Deep structure introduced by Noam Chomsky is the basic or original form of the sentence in the human mind that describe the meaning of semantic of the sentence before the sentence change into the form that can be spoken written, known as surface structure. Our brain forms a deep structure first, which basic form of the sentence containing the core message. After that, the structure transform into final sentence that can be spoken or written. Surface structure is the original meaning that wants to convey, not yet arranged in certain grammatical form. For example, surface structure, the cake was eaten by Lina. Deep structure, Lina ate the cake. In deep structure, we imagine who does that, who does what. So, Lina ate the cake is the original meaning, showing the relationship between subject and object as active or passive sentence. Surface structure. What did she buy? Deep structure. She bought what? Before the question sentence is formed, the core meaning in our mind is she bought what? Definition of surface structure. According to Noam Chomsky, surface structure is the final form of sentence after a deep structure is changed with certain grammatical rules, transformation. So that becomes a sentence that sounds natural, can be spoken, can be written. Surface structure is a sentence that we hear and read in everyday life. It's the final form of the sentence after going through the grammatical process, transformation, namely a sentence that is spoken, written, or heard. For example, surface structure, the girl was praised by the teacher. Deep structure, the teacher praised the girl. Surface structure looks different because the structural change becoming passive, but its meaning can still be traced from the deep structure. Surface structure, where did you go yesterday? Deep structure, you went where yesterday? The deep structure, you went where yesterday, indicating you went somewhere. Change into the question sentence starting with word where. Definition of transformational grammar is a theory developed by Noam Chomsky. This explains how sentence structure in human language are formed from a deep structure, core meaning structure, which transform into a certain process into a surface structure that can be spoken or written. Show how sentences are formed from basic meaning, deep structure, transform into the final form that we speak. Here, write surface structure through transformation rules. For example, deep structure, the dog chased the cat. Transformation, object moved to the front and add was and by the agent. Surface structure, the cat was chased by the dog. Deep structure, you will eat what? Transformation, what is moved to the front, followed by will. Surface structure, what will you eat? Three rules of transformational grammar. Movement is a transformation rule that moves an element in a sentence, usually a phrase or word, from its original position in deep structure to another position in the surface structure, without changing the core meaning of the sentence. Used for forming question sentence, passive sentence. Deletion is the process of removing certain part of the sentence without deleting the important meaning, usually used to avoid repetition or simplify the sentence. Substitution is the transformation that replaces an element in sentence with another form, such as pronoun, auxiliary, or question word to simplify, avoid repetition, or form question. Movement. Movement to specify position, moving a word or phrase to the beginning position in the sentence, usually in the beginning of complementizer phrase, like WH question, relative. For example, deep structure, you will eat what? Movement, WH question, movement, what will you eat? What is the object of it? What is move from the object position after it to the beginning or front? Specifier or of CP to form a question sentence. Substitution and trace. When an element is moved in a sentence, it replaced by T represent as T in its original position. These traces show the original position of the moved element. Important to show the meaning remains connected. Original, he bought a gift for his mother. Move, what did he buy? Tea for his mother. Explanation, what replaced the object a gift? Move to the front. Trace, tea, leave behind after buy. Original, they will visit the museum next week. Move, what will they visit next week? Explanation, what replaced the museum? Move to the front position. Trace T, show the original position of the object. Structure preserving movement. Movement rule maintains the generic syntactic structure and conforms to grammar, meaning the result of the transformation shouldn't be strange or grammatically incorrect. Surface structure, bend in easy to please. Deep structure, it is easy to please bend. Transformation, move bend to the subject position of the sentence. Although the position changed, the surface structure still follows the common sentence pattern and can be understood. Deletion, ellipsis, omitting or deleting praise such as verb praise or noun praise because they have mentioned before. For example, do you want some coffee? I do. The complete sentence B should be I do want some coffee, but the part want some coffee is omitted because it's clear from the context. Will you come to the party? I will. The part come to the party is removed in B's response because it already known from A's question. She ate spaghetti and he did too. Did replace its spaghetti. Argument relation, removing arguments like object from sentences because they are already understood by the speaker and listener. Did you read the article? Yes, I read. The article is removed because it already clear from A's question. It is important for you to finish your homework. Deleted. It is important to finish your homework. The praise for you is deleted because the subject is already known from the context. Negative deletion, removing double negation or additional negative form that is not neat in convey clear meaning that is not confusing. I don't think he will come. Change to I don't think he will. I don't think he will not come. Change to I don't think he will come. Not is deleted so that the sentence remains correct in meaning and grammar, not confusing. Non-praise substitution, replacing non-praise with pronouns such as he, she, it, we, they. Dina loves the cat. She feeds it every day. Dina, she, the cat, it. The children are outside. They are playing. The children are they. The WH substitution, replacing sentence elements, subject, object, place, etc. with question words what, who, where, when, etc. to form interrogative sentence. Statement, you saw Dia. Question, who did you see? Dia is replaced by who in interrogative sentences. Statement, they went to the park. Question, where did they go? The park is replaced by where in interrogative sentences. Verb praise substitution, replacing verb praise with auxiliary verb such as do, does, did, do, so, etc. to avoid the repetition. Do you enjoy reading book? Yes, I do. Do replace the entire verb praise enjoy reading book. She played the piano beautifully. Yes, she did. Did replace the entire verb praise played the piano beautifully. Phonological rules in syntax. Phonological rules in syntax are phonological sounds or sounds rule influenced by the syntactic structure. How a word or phrase is pronounced is not only determined by sound rule, but also the position of the word in the sentence, its syntactic structure. Rules of the pronunciation or speech sound depend on the sentence, structure or arrangement of words in a sentence. Relationship between phonological rules and syntax. Phonological adjustment based on sentence structure, changing pronunciation of word or morpheme because of the word or phrase position in a sentence. Example, the pronunciation change that occurs in the word have. I have to go, pronounced as I have to go, and the pronunciation is shortened into I've gotta go. Let me see is pronounced as let me see is pronounced as let me see. T is omitted to simplify pronunciation. Vowel drop or elision in certain phrase occurs when a vowel is not pronounced because it's in the unstressed position or because of the combination of two words. in one syntactic structure. I'm going to eat, pronounced as I'm gonna eat. The vowel is to is combined. In the sentence, I want to go is pronounced as I wanna go by omitting the vowels T and E in the word to. Sound change process in question sentence. Question sentence trigger certain sound change because the position of the word change. For example, auxiliary verb move into the beginning, the final intonation rises. Declarative, she is studying. Interrogative, is she studying? The final intonation rise because syntactically it's an interrogative sentence. Its phonology adjusts the question sentence. Pronunciable sentence. Pronunciable sentence is the final sentence form that can be pronounced by speaker by following the phonological rules and intonation in the particular language. This form to grammar and has gone through the natural pronunciation process. This is the final result of the syntactic and phonological process in the form of complete, clear sentence that can be naturally spoken by a language speaker in real conversation. For example, deep structure, you will eat what? Surface structure, what will you eat? Pronunciable sentence, what will you eat? Syntax Funnel Project 2 Part 2, Solving the Problem. This is the first sentence. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This sentence has non-phrase and verb phrase. The non-phrase break down into two. That is determiner the. Adjective phrase plus noun is break down into three. That is adjective, and noun. The adjective quick, the adjective brown, and the noun is fog. For the verb phrase, it break down into two. That is verb jumps and prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase break down into two. That is preposition over and noun phrase. Noun phrase divided into two. That is determiner the and the adjective phrase plus noun break down into two. That is adjective lazy and nounnya dog. For the deep structure, subject noun phrase the quick brown fox, verb jumps, prepositional phrase over the lazy dog. Act as adjust indicating direction or location. The fox jumps over the dogs. The girl who is wearing a red dress is dancing. In this sentence has noun phrase and verb phrase. For the noun phrase, it's breakdown into three. That is determiner the, nounnya girl, and relative clause. The relative clause divided into two. That is relative pronoun who and the verb phrase. The verb phrase divided into two. That is auxiliary is and verb. The verb breakdown into two. Verbnya wearing and the noun phrase. Noun phrase breakdown into three. That is determiner a, adjective red, and noun dress. For the verb phrase, it breakdown into two. That is auxiliary is and verb dancing. Deep structure, the girl is dancing. The girl is wearing a red dress. These two sentences are combined using the relative clause with who. Zefano saw Yehezkiela with the telescope. In this sentence has noun phrase and verb phrase. For the noun phrase and noun is Zefano. The verb phrase is breakdown into three. That is verb saw, noun phrase and noun is Yehezkiela, and prepositional phrase. The prepositional phrase breakdown into two. That is preposition with and noun phrase. The noun phrase breakdown into two. That is determiner the and noun phrase telescope. Deep structure, prepositional phrase with the telescope attached to the verb phrase. Describe how the action happened. Prepositional phrase with the telescope modifies the noun phrase Yehezkiela. She believed that the earth is round. In this sentence, it has noun phrase and verb phrase. The noun phrase and noun is she, and for the verb phrase is divided into two. That is Verb and complementizer phrase. The verb is believed. Complementizer phrase break down into three, that is complementizer, noun phrase, and verb phrase. Complementizer that and the noun phrase divided into two, that is determiner the and the noun are. And for the verb phrase, it's breakdown into two, that is verb is and adjective from. Deep structure. Combine two sentence. She believes something, the earth is round. This is the something she believed in. Use a relative clause that to connect. Explain the idea of the subject. The house where I grew up has been demolished. In this sentence, it has noun phrase and verb phrase. The noun phrase divided into three, that is determiner the noun is house, and complementizer phrase. Complementizer phrase break down into two, that is complement or relative where and noun phrase. Noun phrase divided into two, that is noun I and verb grew up. For the verb phrase, it break down into two, that is auxiliary has been and verb demolish. Deep structure, the main clause is the house has been demolished. The relative clause where I grew up explain or give information about the noun phrase, the house. So that's all from me and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.